Gooten is a popular dropshipping platform that allows businesses to create, customize, and fulfill their products. It partners with various manufacturers to provide a wide range of products, such as apparel, home goods, and accessories. By integrating with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Gooten enables entrepreneurs to sell products without holding any inventory. To make money online with Gooten in 2024, follow this step-by-step guide for beginners. 1. Research and choose a niche. Identify a profitable niche or product category that interests you and has a demand in the market. Conduct market research to understand your competition and target audience. 2. Set up an e-commerce store. Create an online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. These platforms integrate seamlessly with Gooten, making it easy to manage your products and orders. 3. Integrate Gooten with your store. Follow the instructions provided by Gooten to connect your commerce store with their platform. This will allow you to access their product catalog and customize items for your customers. 4. Customize and curate products. Browse Gooten's extensive product catalog and select items that fit your niche and store's branding. Customize the products by adding your designs, logos, or personal touches to make them unique and appealing to your target audience. 5. Set your prices. Determine your product pricing strategy, considering factors like your costs, profit margins, and market competition. Be sure to offer competitive prices while ensuring a healthy profit. 6. Optimize your store for SEO and conversions. Improve your store's visibility by optimizing it for search engines and enhancing its user experience. This includes creating high-quality product descriptions using relevant keywords and ensuring fast loading times. 7. Drive traffic to your store. Implement various marketing strategies to attract potential customers to your store. This can include social media marketing, email marketing, paid advertising, and search engine optimization. 8. Provide excellent customer service. Ensure a positive shopping experience for your customers by offering prompt and helpful support. Address any inquiries or concerns they may have in a timely manner. 9. Analyze and optimize. Regularly review your store's performance using analytics tools provided by your commerce platform or additional analytics software. Identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments to increase sales and customer satisfaction. 10. Expand your product offerings and marketing efforts. As your business grows, continue to introduce new products and explore additional marketing channels to reach a wider audience and increase your revenue potential. By following these steps, you can successfully start an online business using Gooten and make money in 2024. Remember to stay committed, learn from your experiences, and adapt to the ever-changing commerce landscape to ensure long-term success.